Hi everyone, welcome to Makeup Diaries. Today I'm gonna be doing this Rakhi look right in front of you, and if you wanna know how I got this look, then keep on watching. And before that, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon right next to it so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. I hope you like this look, and if you wanna see how I did it, then keep on watching. I have already moisturized my face using this Garnier Daily Care Moisturizer, and it's best for dry skin people. Next up, I'm gonna be using this Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. I'm gonna take a little bit amount between my fingers and rub it to warm it up and apply all over my face so that my foundation doesn't move all day long and it's intact on this Rakhi day. Next I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It has 14 shades, but it doesn't have a pump or something. That's the only thing I don't like about this product. Otherwise, this product is great. I'm going to be dotting the foundation all over my face and neck so it has equal coverage. And I'm going to be blending it with my hands only. So just tap and blend in downwards motion, not upwards like so that your facial hair doesn't show up. So blend it downwards only. Next up, I'm gonna be using this Fit Me concealer under my eyes like so, and around my lips, nose, bridge of my nose, forehead, chin, and where my contour will end. And I'm gonna be tapping again, blend. That's the key, guys. And yeah, like so. Now I'm going to be setting my face foundation concealer with this L'Oreal Matte Magique powder, and I'm going to be tapping the excess product and applying it all over my face. And don't forget to apply it on your neck also. Next time I'm going to be using this great product by Maybelline to contour my face. I'm going to be using that brush only which comes along and making a duck face, going into your hollows, contour your cheeks and your jawline. And if you want to know how I do it, then comment down below. I'll let you know. And taking this product on my fingers and coming across from the inner corners to forward, I'm gonna just simply contour my nose. I'm not contouring it sharply. Next up, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me blush. It has flecks also, so I don't need a highlighter, and it's a peachy blush. Now I'm going to take that same concealer on my eyes as an eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to blend it out. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this NYX palette. It's very travel friendly and it has these 4 shades. Using this brush, I'm going to seal my concealer so that my eyeshadow doesn't crease. I'm going to take this dark brown taupey color on my eyes, on my crease only, not going above the crease, on the crease, and I'm just gonna create a line and I'm gonna extend it like a wing, a little bit like that. Now I'm gonna use this blending brush to blend and taking that shade over my crease. I'm not taking it too high, just giving some definition to my eyes like so, going in windshield motion and circular motion, blend. I'm gonna be taking this golden shade with my fingers and placing all over my lids like so it gives some pop to my eyes. Repeating the process on the other eye also. I'm gonna taking that same blending brush and make sure that there is no harsh line. And now I'm gonna put some eyeshadow on my lower lash line also and joining it like so. I'm gonna take that golden shade from the inner corner of my eyes to the center of my eyes, and I'm gonna be using this plum kajal to line my waterline. Repeating the process on the other eye also. It's one of the best kajal I have used. I'm gonna use this Nykaa Black Magic liquid liner. It's waterproof, and I'm gonna be creating a wing, drawing a parallel line and wing it out. And if you want to know how I do it, so comment down below. I'm gonna be repeating this process on my other eye also, creating a wing. It was equal, guys. Next up, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline's Magnum Barbie mascara to coat my eyelashes and I'm also gonna be doing my lower lash line with this only, and the remaining product I'm gonna be using on my brows. So I'm not filling it in, I'm just gonna be using the remaining leftover product on my eyebrows. For lips, I'm gonna be using this Nykaa Mattelicious Lip Crayon. I'm gonna first line my lips and then fill it in.
So that's the final look. With these earrings on and this Fulkari dupatta on, which I got from Amritsar. So I hope you like this Rakhi look, and it's very soft and simple and easy, and you can easily do it. Even the beginners can watch and do this look. It's really very simple, trust me guys. And you can also opt for a darker pink lipstick or any lipstick which suits your dress. It depends upon how you are dressing on that day. If you want to see more kind of videos like this, so you know what you need to do, you need to subscribe right now. Please follow my social media, so to know when I'm uploading and know about me and the little product reviews I'm gonna do on my Insta page. You can go and follow me
and do subscribe, guys.